Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with navigation, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wood door panel insert, power front windows with driver express up and down, power sliding rear window with rear defogger, garage door transmitter, Wi-Fi and hotspot capable, ventilated front seats, 10-way power passenger seat adjuster with lumbar,
and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer.
saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.